Hi, folks. How are you all doing today? So, today we are going to understand and complete this lesson 10. Okay. So, in the last lesson, in the last session, we have learned how to complete your lesson 9, right? I hope you that was informative and you enjoyed that. It was very satisfying, right? I completely felt so satisfying that day. Okay. And yeah, today we'll be creating this. Completing this lesson 10. Okay, let's see. It just says this as a mini project, design a snowflake. Okay, let's see how cool our snowflake turns into. Okay, so we have some small introduction here. Before this introduction, I would like to tell you all, guys, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Do like, comment, and share all these videos with your friends and family. Okay, yeah, that's all. Let's continue. Okay, so hi, I'm Elsa Ferrandel. Help me draw a shape. Draw a small shape between 20 and 50 pixels wide. It can be any shape that you like. Okay, so you can try making a polygon like one of these. Okay, or even an abstract shape like one of these. Okay, all right. So let's create something like draw some shape between 20 and 50 pixels wide. That's it, right? We can draw anything. This icon means that the level is part of a larger project. Changes will be saved across these levels. We already know that this icon means that, right? Okay, this is um, okay. Now let's check. Let's take this. Repeat. Set random color first. And okay, I would like to set this into the repeat 8 times. Let's draw an octagon. Okay, so move forward by 30 pixels. I don't think it should be 30, it should be 50. Then turn left by, so it's 45 degrees, right? For 8. Let's draw it. Oh wow. Cool. Let's finish. Continue. Okay, now let's just check this out. Now let's draw more than one. Now take your shape and draw 2 or 3 in a row by jumping forward same number of pixels. Okay, so if you jump forward by less than the width of your shape, they might overlap. So if you jump forward by more than the width of your shape, you will get a gap. Of course, we know this and we have been doing this, right? Okay, forward by same number of pixels. That means 50 pixels. We have to move forward, right? But we drew a very big shape. I don't really want this big shape then. Let's draw it 30 pixels. Let's draw it from here somewhere. Okay, let's make a stand here. So over 200 down is perfect. X value can be from 60. Let's check it out first. I think this is good, right? So then we have to jump forward. So where is it? Jump forward by 30 pixels only. Okay. And then we'll repeat this complete thing. Repeat this complete thing. Let's make some space first. 10 times is too much, I think. 6 times maybe. Reset and run. Oh, they still overlap, but that's okay. This looks pretty and good. We can continue. Maybe 10 times. Let's see. See this. This is so cool. See, Elsa? Ta-da! Cool. Stop, man, stop. All right, finish. Continue. Okay, let's make it into a snowflake. Whoa, wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. See this. Cool. Coolest snowflakes. Okay. Next, jump Elsa back to the center using jump to 200 over 200 down and spin her around to draw a line of shapes again and again in a bunch of different directions. What amazing snowflakes can you make? Okay. Mm, all right. All right. Let's do it. So let's jump her to 200 over 200 down because that makes her go into the middle of the page again. Okay. So after drawing this thing, we can actually make her repeat the same thing maybe, but after turning right by 90. Okay. Just repeat this for, I just want to repeat it 3 times. Let's check out what is going to be the result. Wow, how cool it is, right? Okay, I was expecting the same, but it goes outside the screen mostly. There should be 6. Cool. Okay, it's drawing here. Now it turns right again, and yeah. Oh, this created the letter J kind of a thing. All right. This is something different. That's okay. Let's click on next. What happens if we draw snowflakes on top of each other? Try layering 2 different shapes of snowflakes on top of one another with a little turn in between. See what you get. Okay. So actually, we just have to change this code a little bit now because they doesn't really look like a snowflake, right? We just enjoyed this and we made this, but still, we have to change it. Okay. How can we do this? Is let's not do it for 8 times. Let's do it for 4 times only. First of all, okay. Do we have any set pattern kind of a block here? Not really. Okay, no worries. Turn left by 90. Oh my god. 90. First place this here. It's not 10 times I want, maybe 8 times. Let's check it out. Okay, So jumping 20 over 20 down, so 200 over 200 down, that's fine. This is not fine. Or repeat 3 times. Let's check this out. Oh, okay. So I think we have to place it here. Control C. Let's do it like this. Let's check what happens. Cool. Okay. So what if just after drawing this pattern, he has to jump to middle, I mean, and then what should happen is we have to draw the shape, then not jump forward. Instead, just turn right by 90 and then draw it. Okay. Turn right by 60 maybe. So let's check it out. Okay. This is good. Okay, so it's just asking us to do whatever we want. We can get creative with shapes here. All right, let's check it out. Then what can be done is like jumping forward by 30 and let's check this out. Cool. Okay, so it's let's make it 45. Perfect. But we want it here also, right? So let's make her take a right turn first. Right turn by same 45 degrees. Okay. Do the same thing again. Put this in the same repeat loop for 8 times. 8 more times. Okay. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's drawing eight times. We can accept that this is a snowflake kind of thing which is happening here. But looks so messy, right? What can be done for that is maybe we can just change the sizes a little bit. So 45 degrees, 45, not degrees, 45 pixels, maybe. Let's check it out. Okay, good. Okay, there's a lot of overlap here, right? Maybe we should think of less number of times, like four times by turning right by 90 degrees, maybe. This should not make so many overlaps like this. Okay, let's reset and run it. Not bad because it's not overlapping so much, right? Okay, this is good, not really bad. It will draw one more time and then it will stop this. Okay, so this is the last time it's gonna work. See, okay, so you only have four shapes, but still it feels so messy because it has so many dots around them, right? That is one thing which is so messy here. Okay, and you have this extra bar within it that also feels more messy, but that's okay. We have drawn completely overlapping kind of thing, right? It just wanted that same thing. Let's try something new. This time, skate in a zigzag. Draw stair step pattern that uses turn between 75 and 105 degrees. But make sure your left and right turns use the same angle. Okay. Okay, this is the continuous project, right? So after drawing the zigzag pattern, uh, like for left and turns, we right turns, we have to use the same thing. We'll understand about this in the next levels, basically. Okay. So first thing, turn turn right. I'll just turn right by 85 degrees. Okay. Turn right by 85. Move forward by 30 pixels is fine. Okay. Then turn left by 85. Okay, and move forward by 30. So let's repeat the same thing for six times. Let's check out what happens. Okay, cool. You have the same type of pattern, right? So yeah, we just wanted this. Let's see. Now let's turn and go back the way we came. Okay, turn around 180 degrees and okay. All right. So and draw the exact same stair pattern. Rest of the stage will be easier if you put all of your code inside a loop to make Elsa draw, turn around 180 degrees, draw, then all right. So here's an example of how to use a 76-degree turn. Okay, so turn right by 180 and repeat this 2 times. Whoa, absolutely the same thing. Okay, good. Continue. Let's spin and make it into a snowflake. Okay. Spin that shape around 5 or 6 times in a circle. If you choose 5 times, try a turn of 72. 6 times means 60 degrees. 45 degrees means 8 times. Okay. So turn right by 45 degrees. Repeat it 8 times. We are greedy and we want it more, right? Wow. She dances around there, right? That's the complete best part over here. That dancing movement she makes, it's cool. And I don't think we have to repeat this for 6 times. It's pretty long and it goes outside. It should be just four. I think four is perfect. Let's try it out with four also. Okay, check it. Cool. Now you can see the complete whole pattern of snowflake, right? That's the reason. That's it. This absolutely looks cool. I love it. I love it. Even in my pattern videos also I did not create something this cool. Cool. I like it. Now what should we do? Let's explore and create our own winter wonderland. Okay. Try playing around with what you have created, draw whatever you like. What happens if you use two different angles in your stair step pattern? What happens if you make your diamond pattern longer or shorter? What happens if you draw two snowflakes on top of another? I think we can try this last one. It seems interesting. Turn right by 180 degrees, I'll say, and just repeat this thing 2 times. Let's check it out. I'm just addressing this last question with this thing. Okay. So after drawing the complete pattern, it just takes 180-degree turn completely and starts off. 180 degrees again, maybe it draws the same shape again, I feel like. Let's check. Or else we'll change it to, yeah, it's drawing the same shape. See? Let's change this to 160 degrees, maybe. Yes. Nice. I like this. Cool, right? Yes, this is absolutely cool. I love it. I love it. So let's address this longer or shorter thing, right? So we have moved forward by 30 pixels. That's how it is this, like this. If it's shorter, then obviously it should be shorter. Longer, obviously it should be longer. I think longer should be more interesting. Let's write 40 pixels and 40 pixels. Of course. We just had to expect the same thing, right? This is fine. Longer or shorter is fine. What happens if you use two different angles, right? Let's try that. I'm just writing 90 here. Let's see what happens. Oh, oh my gosh. This is completely a different pattern which is created. We can't even see that. Can't even see that. Okay, maybe then I'll just say 86. Very small change. Let's see. Very small change has a actually it has a change, but not too much impact it creates. But yeah, it creates a small impact here. So this is bigger, smaller, 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 likewise, right? Okay, this is cool. This is good. Oh, I see. Stops there, and it continues with the outer loop basically. This becomes a little messier, but okay. If we just align them properly, yeah, that's okay. But I feel like when both were same, right, then that was actually good, correct? However, I'll just put this back to 85, reset and run. This is cool. Come on, Alexa, come on. Do it, man, do it. Wow, lovely. Very cool. Okay. So this was all about it and songwriting. Let's check this out. It feels good. Unplugged activity, songwriting.
is a lot like a computer program. The written notes and words tell the singer exactly what to do. Some parts of music are used over and over again. We call this the chorus. In a computer program, the parts of the program that are used over and over again are called functions. When you read song lyrics and it says the word chorus, do you sing the word chorus? No. You look at the top of the page to see what words make up the chorus. So in this lesson, you'll learn a silly little song called Little Bunny. The song has a chorus that you will sing several times over and over again. A function is a piece of code that you can call or use over and over again. It makes programming easier and more efficient, so you don't have to write out the steps of your function over and over again. You can just write it once.
Okay, continue. So that means the introduction to functions concept basically in the next lesson. So that's why we had that. Okay. And you have this Minecraft hour of code video, the agent, right? So this is 2 minutes, but yeah, I'm not just playing this now because this is going to be in our next session. All right. So yeah, come back to our next session to just see how this functions concept work and what are the activities which are present in this. Okay. All right then, guys. So this was all about our today's session. We just completed this lesson 10 along with 11, right? We'll be doing 12 in the next session. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and have a great day all.